I'm gonna be honest with you, I never really film whenever my kids are home because it's pure chaos, and also I'm not using my mic because I am thinking this is a chillax and relax kind of video. If you hear screaming in the background, just a reminder, I have 3 kids under 7. So let's go ahead and get into this video. I wanted to kind of reorganize my kit. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you all the supplies I'm working with, and then we'll get into organizing. So first things first is I have all of my kits. So this is like how I have been pre-planning my kits, and depending on how they fit in the binder, we'll see if this still stays. But I just have my months. They're like foiled in lavender hollow. I just like cut them shorter if I needed to, and I have it in a container store container, which this is great for storing kits, and I have all different things in here. So I can kind of plan like whenever I get a kit into my collection, what month I'm kind of thinking, and if I think for like a season, I just put it in like the first section of where I think that it could be seasonally appropriate. So I have this. I also have from my shop my kit labels. I have these, I think, in 4 different varieties. I really like the colorful ones because I like things cute and colorful, as you will see. So for the longest time, I have been storing my kits in these Printpression planners. These are B6 planners, and these are the kit sleeves that he did sell, but Printpression is no longer, around. So I want to be able to, one, have something that I can recommend to everybody whenever I am doing my kit lineup that everyone can purchase easily. And also I feel like whenever I have my storage, which everything is stored in a calyx, the calyx is about like this much higher. So I feel like I'm wasting like this much space vertically in all of my calyxes with having shorter binders. So how I've had them in here is just like this, 1 kit per sleeve. And then on the spine, I have Plannahannah month stickers in lavender hollow as well. And whenever the month was over, I would just peel off the sticker and put the new month, so I knew where all of my kits were. So that is the current setup, and then where I'm going with it. If you watch my recent haul, which I'll link down below, I did pick up a bunch of these binders. They came in a pastel pack, and they are 1-inch binders. This is the pink one. Pink is my favorite color. Well, pink and purple are actually pretty tied, but I'm gonna put my kits in this one and see how much I can fit. But I feel like with 1 inch, I may be able to fit the whole year, if not 6 months, but that would be kind of ideal. And then I could just turn this into the 6 months that are not here. Plus then I also do have another container that has all of my like backlog kits that don't really have like a seasonally appropriate time, that I'm just saving for a like a special occasion, which if I could make this smaller and fit those in here, that would be pretty cool as well. But I probably would do that in another video because I'd also want to destash some of those. This is not about the destash, this is about the reorganization. I also have some Write Erase tab stickers, plastic dividers. So my thoughts with these is I'm probably only going to use like 1 or 2 per I like if they have, I didn't even see before that they came with the pastel tabs, but I think I want to use this as, which I don't know, let me see actually, as kind of like a little bit of divider for whenever I'm doing my kit lineups, to kind of have the other ones like behind it, so it's like kind of like not showing, the future, so that it's not spoilering. This is see-through, so I might put some stickers on this to decorate it, just so it kind of like, mixes up the area so you can't see it. And then it'll keep me organized for what's behind. So I just pulled out a purple one. It's like honestly pretty close to the pink, but actually it may be pink. Well, maybe I should pull out the purple one. The purple one, let's see. It's definitely more purple. Let's do that. Let's do the purple one. So they have a little bit of a color difference. These are really cute though. Very nice, very nice. And then to hold the kits in, I do also have, did you hear that? Those are my race medals. I have to pull them apart. Okay. I do have these sleeves that hold kits, so these will fit a kit perfectly. Got those on Amazon. I'll link all of it down below. And then I have a bunch of different stickers to decorate the outside. I have some from a sticker book, some from Simply Gilded, some from craft show type things I've went to, some from No White Space stickers, some from my shop, and then I also have some stickers that I pulled out that I only have a couple of stickers left, so I might as well just use them as deco stickers. And yeah, so I think what I want to do first is go ahead and move all of the kits over. So what I'll be doing is going through the ones that I already have pre-planned in these binders and moving them over first, and then kind of checking back and seeing about how thick it is with having the 2 months, because March is basically done, of kits in here, and see how thick it is.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go.
Okay, so checking back with you, I have some kits that I kind of moved around. This is what we're looking at. I don't think that it's gonna hold the whole year, but I think it'll do the same and hold about 3 months worth, which I'm fine with. So let's go ahead and do maybe 1 more month. Now that that is all settled, I fit about 3 months worth of kits in here. I feel like I could definitely probably do 1 more month, but I don't want it to be too chunky that it's like heavy and also like expanding. So let's go ahead and decorate her.
Around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Okay, so I have never put stickers on like this like glossy coating, so these are matte stickers. So I think what I'm gonna do is probably like leave this upside down so that the sticky adheres a little bit better. But I also did put kits on the side using those no white space stickers. If they don't stay, I'm probably just gonna go ahead and do a little bit of like a glue runner on the back of like the corners that are peeling up, which I feel like it's just these two. It honestly might be where my like the oils of my fingers were. Another option is to put a piece of paper in here, like a piece of like scrapbook paper, and then put the stickers on it that way. But we'll see how it goes. If they do start coming up, I probably will just do the paper version, and then I can just transfer them all over from here and just put it in. I could even do that with like a piece of acetate that's white, so it'll just look the same but like be protected, which might be actually a really good idea now that I'm thinking about it. So I might do that, but I do have kits on the side here. I think that's cute. I'm not going to decorate the back, but I think overall it's a vibe. So I still have obviously plenty of stickers left to decorate my other binders because I do plan on decorating every single one of them. So let me give you a little flip through. So here's the front. On the side here, I have my monthly kits as well as my Erin Condren bottom washi cover up and the date covers. And then I just have all of my kits, one, two, all the way through. This week is Theo's birthday week. I think I'm actually going to use the new Kitness Jess like spring art. I think that's going to be really cute for his birthday. And yeah, I went all the way through June, and these are obviously tentative. I'll kind of see what I want to do when I want to do it. I don't think I've done my April lineup, so I'll probably just put this in here, and that'll be like my cover. And I'll probably decorate this as well, I think. So that is everything. I will do a video if you want to see me going through and decluttering this stash as well as my other kits, like a kit declutter video. Let me know in the comments down below. But thank y'all so much for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.